Fuck. Ow. Fuck. Yeah, no, I'm alright, cheers. Yeah, I'm okay. Fuck. No, you just didn't look like I was coming, you know?
Oh man!
Fuck, dude.
What?
No, pull over. Yeah, fuck hell. Fuck that hurt. Shit. Sorry, man.
You alright, buddy?
Oh, yeah, I'm right. Oh, get this picked up.
So you can get going. You sure you alright, man?
I think so, yeah. What's my moped? Shit, Alter.
Gotta catch S1000RR. Oh shit. Fuck.
Fucking disgusting, you see. There it goes.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
That's alright. Nothing.
no fucking way.
Fuck.
Middle of stuff there and a bent indicator.
You can see where you hit it.
You alright? Yeah.
We didn't see the fucking stop sign. It's covered by...
Turn right onto Jeanneau Place.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, let me pull it down. Alright, thanks.
Вот это был пиздец! Охуенно!
Whoa, shit! You good? Yeah. Want me to help you get it up? Here, put your kickstand down.
I don't know why you got him on leg.
Looks good except for your mirror. And there are a few scratches. Yeah. Yeah, he hit one of them bumps and it just threw him.
It's sitting right here. Probably big bigger. Time to go home. Oh shit, bro. Get a ride home, though. Right.
Yeah. Your clutch is all busted too.
Clutch on this? Oh, yeah, it's all good. Did you ride over there? Yeah. Okay. I'll be alright. Putain! Et tu prends quoi? Putain! Regardez mieux la prochaine fois. Ah, mais ça vous fait sourire, mais c'est parce que vous n'êtes pas en moto.
Tu vas bien? T'as rien, t'es sûr? Je vais aller les prévenir. Non, en fait, il a pris l'intérieur et il s'est reporté vers l'extérieur. Et je sais pas pourquoi je l'ai vu. Ouais.
Naturschutzgebiet. Verpisst euch da hinten aus. Echt? Das ist Kacke hier. Hier sitzen Leute, die wollen ein bisschen Abend genießen und ihr blast hier hoch.
Ja, die Leute gehören zu ihm.
Die Leute gehören zu ihm, da hinten sitzen auch noch Leute.
Oh, das wusste ich nicht.
Ja.
Das tut mir leid.
Echt? Das ist doch scheiße.